Hello everybody, welcome back to Emily Sage 411. Today I want to talk about a topic that has been circling and encasing us for a bit now, and I wasn't really sure how to go about this video in all honesty, because I do feel like the media is covering it quite a bit and some of us want to just turn off from it. And of course I'm talking about the COVID-19 that is encasing the world right now. However, I thought if I didn't address it, that would be uncaring of me. And that is also not what I'm trying to do. I think when things don't pertain to you and it's not your reality, it's hard for you to kind of think of it as, oh yeah, this is also what's going on, and sympathize with it, because again, it's not our reality at that moment, and so it's where we're looking from the outside in and we go, it's not me. And that's just kind of a selfish thing, and I don't think everybody does that, but I found myself doing that. And recently I've kind of gotten snapped out of that and realized that this is a big deal. This is a big deal for a lot of people, even though it might not be my reality right now. Nobody in my family's been affected. I mean, it's affected us in a standstill, but as far as ending up in the hospital, it's not a reality for me. But it is for a lot of other people, and I think we need to be sympathetic in that and understanding and acknowledge it. And it's the people who've lost loved ones who are mourning right now. They're going through a very difficult time. This has affected a lot of people, and this is a serious situation for many families, and my condolences go out to those families that are hurting and in mourning, to those that are currently struggling to survive. It's a very scary thing. And the other people that I want to acknowledge that was kind of brought to my attention recently is people that are stuck at home and their home life is not the best. So if we don't acknowledge those people just because it's not our reality, it makes us very insensitive, and it's definitely not what this channel is about. It's about understanding that people are struggling and to help people through their struggles. I did not want to talk all about doom and gloom today. In fact, I wanted to do the opposite and talk more about showing love and gratitude and graciousness and kindness across the board. I believe in times like this is when it's critical and absolutely crucial to come together as one, as all people from all different walks of life, and support each other. And oftentimes I believe that panic and fear can cause us to butt heads and separate, causing even more destruction and chaos. So I think it's very, very important that times like this we come together, we unite, and we understand that we're all a bit fearful, we're all a bit weirded out, because we've never gone through any of this before. This isn't something that we're used to. This is not a daily encounter for us. So in this time, I would like to remind others to be kind to one another. Be kind to your spouse, to your children, even the outsiders who are not a part of your family. This is a time that we should come together, although separated. Of course, this is something that we should do on a regular basis, but especially in a time like this, so that again we unite and we don't divide and we don't panic. We aren't nasty to one another. That's the last thing we need on top of everything else that's going on in the world. And again, just because it's not your reality doesn't mean it's not a reality for somebody else. So it's very important to be kind, be gracious, realize and sympathize with others. And don't blame, don't point the fingers. Just create a positive energy for those that are fearful, for those that are struggling, to come to and find light in, where they feel encouraged and like they can just relax and take a deep breath and take a moment for themselves to regroup their energy, regroup their thoughts, and push forward through whatever else is going to be thrown at us in our lives. My advice for today is acknowledge those that are struggling. Don't have your head in the sand, don't have your head in the clouds. Realize that although it may not be your reality at the moment or at all during this time, those who are losing loved ones, those who are stuck in in places with people that they don't want to be stuck with, those who've lost jobs. Sympathize with them, understand that this is a big deal for them. The other thing that I would encourage you to do is remind others to be kind to one another. Be kind to your spouse, to your children. Let them know that you love them, that you are there for them, and even the outsiders who are not a part of your family. I hope this video was helpful. As I said, this video was a bit different to go over and talk about, as I wanted to acknowledge what was going on. And as I said before, my thoughts and prayers are with those who are struggling. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day or night from wherever you're viewing from. Feel free to leave a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.